On this episode, we're off to a beach bonfire.
We are on our way to Mount Cinnamon. There's supposed to be a bonfire dinner here tonight.
You'll relax with us West Indies style before we take you into the jungle, baby.
Are you ready?
It looks fun, right? Yeah. Cara, what are your true thoughts of your first hash?
We're on a Grenada Hash. Don't know what that is? You will now.
Whose idea was this?
Mine.
Welcome to Lazy Gecko Sailing. I'm Brittany, and this is Jeremiah.
I came from the mud.
For 5 years, we've been sailing the world and filming it all for you.
Strong like a tree.
Now come along with us as we head for the Caribbean.
Oh, I've been running.
Make sure to click subscribe so you don't miss any of the fun.
Hope they won't shoot me down soon.
Ready to do some skimboarding? We are on our way to Mount Cinnamon. There's supposed to be a bonfire dinner here tonight. So we are on the hunt for it, and we're gonna check it out. The boys are gonna do some skimboarding. We're gonna eat a little dinner. It looks gorgeous.
Mount Cinnamon Resort is just a short dinghy or car ride from where our boat is located in St. George's. It's beautiful. They put on a beach bonfire once a week here. We were excited to be a part of it. I don't think we'll ever get used to having such lovely beaches all to ourselves like this. These are memories in the making.
How's the skimboarding?
It is fun but scary.
Let me see a good one. Go for it.
Come on, you see
Go.
it?
I want to see. Nice. Are you out here watching them?
I'm building a sandcastle right here.
You are. I love it. Oh my gosh.
Soon the sun was down and the fire was lit. We had a great dinner followed by drinks while the kids cooked s'mores.
Right where that flame is. Don't touch it, don't touch it. Let it burn for 5 seconds. Thank you.
Trevor is a great big brother. I love watching these two interact. It's time to go home and get a good night's rest because tomorrow we hash. This should be fun. Let's grab a drink and then go work out.
Are you ready to hash it out?
So ready. I don't know if you're ready.
I'm not ready at all.
I'm ready to get a workout.
Trev, are you ready?
I don't really think so.
He's not prepared mentally.
There's a hash every Saturday. Each has its own difficulty level. Cruisers and locals mingle and enjoy the music and traditions. One of which was if you're wearing new shoes, you have to pound a beer out of it before the hash begins. Glad we didn't have new shoes.
Cheers, baby.
Let's go.
Carrying him the whole way?
I'm gonna carry him up the stairs at least. We're just looking at the view. We're about a quarter into the hash. We went completely uphill the entire time. Now we're at a stopping point, and I'm pretty sure they're just letting one person go at a time into the straight and narrow, which is, I'm sure, gonna be difficult, but it's good. I feel good about it. Drank a couple drinks beforehand, and now you're sweating it out, and I feel nice and clean. So let's go hash it out, baby. You ready for this, Trevor?
Yeah.
It looks fun, right? Oh, you're really going for like sliding. Okay. Oh, jeez. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm gonna follow this woman. She's got it right. afraid somebody's gonna come tumbling behind me.
Whose idea was this?
Mine? Nothing but smiles and laughs. We got this. Jeez, this is crazy. Cara, what are your true...
This is not solid.
This is not solid, guys. Cara, what are your true thoughts of your first hash?
What?
True thoughts?
I think it's fun.
It
Like
is.
I want to climb up a tree.
Adventurous, right?
I love it.
You're a monkey.
Yeah.
A blonde swinging monkey.
I'd rather walk here than on that concrete asphalt highway.
Me too.
What do you think? Yeah, you like it?
Yeah. It's a little sketchy.
Wait. We got a walking stick. Cara found the walking stick, Reese. Oh, Trevor found the walking stick.
That can bite you. I'm the centipede.
Just kidding. Pretty cool hash that Brittany got us on. I'd rather drink beer at this point, but that's all right. It was uphill most of the way, and then, I guess about halfway, and then we went off-road, and we're in the Grenada Hills. Pretty cool, man. Who would think to walk through these paths? I don't know, but they have paths. So right now, Reese and I are ahead of the other crew here. Doing all right, Reese? Pretty fun. Come on, honey.
Who doesn't hurt you? All I can think about is the cruisers we just met. She face planted into a rock and ended up with stitches all on her chin.
That ain't good.
No.
Yeah. Always protect the face.
Smells like goat manure.
Yeah. Hey, goat. He's like, hey, come closer. I cannot hear you. Hi.
That was awesome. To do it as a family, go through the jungle, end with a little sprinkle of rain. That was on point, baby. I might be a hasher for
You
life.
see that little centipede?
No, I didn't. It's about to pour down on us, and I think you get sprayed with beer at the end. I am doing that for sure.
Do
so
it.
Take my phone. I'm excited. That's like been getting me the whole time. I can't wait to do that.
Oh, that's what it was? The free beer that gets sprayed on you?
Yeah, that'd be awesome. I'm
You have
down.
fun?
I had a great freaking time. I love it. I want to do it again.
We're
next
not
week.
done, actually.
I
We
hear
gotta
the
go back
music.
up.
No.
Oh, yeah.
We went up on the way up. I remember I carried 40 pounds on my back. We went down and
How you doing, man?
that was sweet. Now's the time to run it out because we're going downhill, so you can like run and be like, oh, I accomplished that running.
Get it!
Yeah.
Get it!
Woo!
Oh, there you go. I know you got
There
moves.
you go.
Yeah.
High five, Cara.
Yeah, we're
Alright, we're about to start the virgin ceremony. All the first timers, can you come closer?
First timer. All right. We're ready.
If you're a newbie, you get a little ceremony at the end. This was such a fun event to be a part of. I love getting a little dirty during a workout, but I've never had beer sprayed on me after one, until now.
Alright, so you guys take this from nominations right here. You're welcome.
Oh, that was awesome. I didn't expect to get sprayed with beer at that boat. I'm smelling perfect for dinner.
Coming up on the Lazy Geckos.
Okay, go ahead.
We're both sitting here,
Yes, we're both sitting right here.
obviously.
Strap on.
CPAP, a safe, a bottle of scotch, at least there's some water.
We just got our sail back.
It was like all the way here.
Yeah.
Let me patch it here. This one here is the voltage sensor. Low little pressure.
The blonde bombshell beauty. Here she is.
Hot lady sponge.
That's right.
I'm looking down your shirt.
We're using predict wind.
Something went wrong.
Alexa sucks. Strainers have started clogging up a little bit.
Our AC hasn't been as cold.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, batteries are coming. Should be walking down the dock any minute. Attack of the mosquitoes. And more laundry. We are off to Grenada's brewery.
Most of our fermenters will be started.
Natural river tubing ever. Oh, that's awesome. This is day 1 of our trip from Grenada back to the United States. Day 10 or 11. And we're still having a pretty good time out here.
Want more? Check us out at lazygeckos.net. Remember, patrons can get complimentary access. You can also visit our Vimeo channel. The link is below. Don't forget to click subscribe to get all of the fun. See you next week.